Hi Sushmita, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. Yes, I'm doing great, ma'am. Thank you so much. How about you?
Doing good as well. How was your weekend?
Yeah, weekend was nice.
Okay, I
We
think
had
this
a holy
is
celebration.
1 day of weekend, right?
Yes, we get 1 day off, but it was great. We celebrated our Holi because
Really?
yeah, actually, there is a one thing in our society. What happens? We belong to Assam, so there are a few families are residing in Delhi. So first weekend,
Mm,
first Sunday of
mm.
any festival, we gather together and we do celebrate.
Okay, because it's not if it's on a weekday, it's not possible for everybody to make time.
Yes, it is, ma'am.
So, Sushmita, today's topic is about telephonic conversations. So, tell me how you feel about the topic. How would you want to proceed? Or if you would like to talk about something else, if I should give you some more alternatives or options to talk about.
No, no, ma'am. It's okay. There are also questions, so we can go with that itself.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So, let's first talk about how do you feel about telephonic conversations? Do you prefer that? I think we can just text it, or you know what? Let's just meet and we can talk. I am not very
Okay.
fond of telephonic. Or are you someone who holds it in high regard? That you know what? It's better than texting. It's better than meeting. You can just give me a call. What is your perspective?
Yeah, I'm not too much into calls. I
Okay.
prefer to go with the text because
Okay.
we should not open ourselves and just whatever we need to say or whatever we want to say, we can simply text them and they will be aware about. Yeah, I'm not
Okay.
that into phones, but if I talk about near and dear ones, if I talk about family members or someone very close to me, go and stop text. I rather choose calling them.
I would rather choose calling them.
Yes.
Okay. And I think also not just near and dear ones, but even the ones who are mediocrely near and dear. But when it comes to special occasions like birthdays and anniversaries or
Yeah,
promotions,
it is.
New Year's, I think it becomes a good way to just close the gap sometimes.
Yeah, obviously it is, ma'am. It is.
Right?
In some special occasion, we can call them. That's how we can feel. Okay, they also feel special that they consider us as a special person. That is
Yes,
why they personally call us.
very
So it's great. And other thing is happen if we want to discuss something very serious, then we can't text them. We have to call and we have to clear our doubts and we can deal right with this problem together. So this is the great way to have a call.
I think, even when, for example, I'll just tell you. So, if, like, my mom, my sister, and I, we are quite close. Okay. So,
Mm,
because we can talk, a lot. But
yeah.
my father is a little on the outskirts because he's not much of a speaker. He will
Mhm.
entertain whatever nonsense we are talking sometimes, and he'll sit in the same room, or even if it's a video call, he'll just be there, but he will not participate a lot. Okay. So
Uh-huh.
whenever something like this happens, when either my sister and I, or my sister and my mom, or I and my mom, we have just got into some kind of verbal argument, or we are not on the same page, we have a difference in opinions, and we have to tell the other person what has
Mhm.
exactly happened, so that it is so long that I said this, then mom said this, then I said, I'm like, forget it, I can't text so much, and I'm like, okay,
Yes,
just call me and I'll
call
let
me
you
happens.
know.
Sometimes it happens with me. If someone is texting me again and again, then I feel fed up. Then I ended up calling them. Now
Right,
say what is exactly your problem is. So
right,
yes,
right.
I don't prefer to go with a very long text.
Mhm.
Either I choose this one voice text.
I was just about to tell that, they have come up with something in between. Neither do you have to text, nor do you have to call.
No,
There's something
yeah.
in between that you can do.
Yes, these things we can do sometimes. It's totally up to the circumstances, which kind of
Yeah.
circumstances we are going through. According that we can choose because we have all three options,
Very.
right?
Now, let us talk about a little bit. This was on the personal front, right?
Mhm.
So, if we talk about a little on the professional front,
Okay.
We know that nowadays it has become quite easy because of technology to have at least the first filtering round or the screening round virtually. You can have a Zoom meeting or a Google Meet and all of that, right?
Yeah.
And sometimes people even just go ahead with a regular telephonic call. So if we look at the pros and cons of this type of interviewing, now we all know that obviously, like, just on the meeting or on the virtual meeting, they don't go ahead and give an offer letter, right? This is just
Yes.
for the screening, for the first meeting. But
Mhm.
do you think that this is an effective way of screening or filtering candidates, or making sure whether the person fits the criteria or not?
Considering these era, everything is going on digital, right? By virtually is everything going on. So we can consider this is the great thing to go with, because as we are able to interact with each other, right? You don't know me personally or I don't know you personally, but we are interacting through this Zoom, and I also get benefited and you are also getting a job, right? By virtually. So this is the great thing for everyone, I believe, because we have to make most out of this situation which
Yeah,
technology we are going through or we are having. So I believe that it's a great thing.
correct. And I also think that, you know, it saves so much of time.
Time, true, ma'am. We should
If
not
I am
travel.
if
Mm.
I am called for some interview, and a lot of times it happens that you don't fit in the role or in the
True.
criteria or in the required qualifications, and you go all the way to give an interview, and you get to know, oh my god, this is absolutely nothing which I can add value
Hmm.
to, and I
True.
wasted my entire trip. I mean, money kept aside, this whole time that I will be squeezing in my regular routine just to go and meet these people. So here
True.
we can do it within 15-20 minutes without anybody really having to invest himself or herself, and this
True.
purpose is solved.
So purpose is also solved. Yes, ma'am. That's a great thing. If I had to go, long way while having
Yes.
to take a
Answer.
session or classes from anyone, then it would take long time, and I would ended up spending my most of the time, and I also would tired,
Correct. And
right?
you would also spend more money.
More money in traveling. Yeah.
Right. And believe me, Sushmita, like, I come from a generation where we used to go get calls for interviews for from consultants, and there was nothing like this telephonic and all that.
Yeah.
First round, second round, third round, doesn't matter how many times they want to be satisfied whether they are picking up the right candidate or not. You have to go and meet them.
Yes.
And it used to be so frustrating when you've met them twice or thrice already, and then it doesn't work out. Oh, very, very
Yeah.
frustrating, and sometimes very stressful also, because
True.
you are just continuously waiting. Okay, I'll get a call. Okay, they have just
Hmm.
told me we'll meet you, but I don't know when will I have to suddenly just up
Yes.
and leave,
Whether
right?
I have selected or not, it's also
Have
not
got selected.
confirmed.
Yes.
Yes.
So let us talk about a few things, according to you, Sushmita, which are a prerequisite. See, when we have a regular personal phone call, we tend to change and mold our style of speaking, knowing what the other person is like, right? If I know
Yes.
my father doesn't talk much, I will not be like blah, 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 on the phone, and
Yeah.
by the end of the call, my father will be drained out. My gosh, why did she speak so much, right?
Yeah.
So we tend to make changes in our own pattern and behavior and the way we talk because we know what the other person is like. But when
Yes.
we make professional calls, most of the times they are very limited, very clipped calls. We speak
Mm-hmm.
only work. At least 90 to 95% of the call is based on the work related issues.
Work related, true.
Maybe 5% is like, so how are you? How's office? And how are things
Mm.
going? Just those semi formal questions.
Yes.
So, according to you, what is that one thing, or maybe a couple of things, which are on the top of the list, which you should keep in mind before you place a call, or while you are on a professional or a formal call?
Okay. First and foremost thing we have to keep in our mind, which is greeting. We have to greet them, uh, the hi, hello, and obviously ask their well-being first of all. Then, if they want to jump into the topic or whatever they are requiring to talk, so we can jump into, and we should not talk much. We should listen attentively. or we should keep patient and answer those all the things whatever is required. We should not go out of the list, right? This is the thing we should keep in our mind, because they are looking for to get answer those all in this area only. They don't want to listen apart from that, because they are looking for your capacity, your caliber, how you can handle the problem is, those kind of things they are looking for from us. So I believe that we should go with this under topic only. We should.
That we shouldn't get deviated,
Okay.
okay, or
Deviated.
deviated from the topic.
Okay, deviated. Okay.
Yes, okay. Another way can be that if we are asked a question, we cannot beat around the bush,
Beat around the bush. True.
right? We have to hit the nail in the head
Yes.
and be very specific about our answers. You can say the
Answers. True.
answer should be precise and succinct, to the point.
True. The point. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Obviously, it is, ma'am.
Okay. So, very well said that we need to start with having that light greetings, because we cannot
Greeting. True.
just barge in with the topic that we have called for. So, it does
Yeah.
call for a little bit of introduction, a little bit of easing the conversation to the main part,
Yes.
right?
Obviously, we
And
should also
another,
feel little comfortable.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Hmm.
And I think I can add on one more thing, that ending the call on a good note is also very important.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe just asking something like, I hope everything was clear to you. If you want me to
Yeah.
repeat something, or
Uh-huh.
if there are a number of things which was discussed in the call, maybe by the end of it, you can just tell the headers and the footers that,
Okay.
okay, after we hang up, we need to do this, 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 and this, right? We are on the same page. Okay, good to go. Now we can end the call, right? So keeps
Hmm.
matters very clear and transparent.
Yes.
There are
Obviously,
no
ma'am.
confusions and doubts in any party's mind,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Obviously.
So now, we see a lot has changed. Now we have come to a point where I have so many learners who are having conversations, meetings, there are conferences happening, and there are training sessions where one speaker is training 200, 250 people at the same time. You have these Excel, people who teach you the importance of Excel, Microsoft Excel,
Hmm.
or the people who are telling you how to take good financial decisions on a credit card, how to
Hmm.
earn points and all of those. So they have these online classes where you can register by just paying 99 rupees and then be
Yes.
a part of it. And there are multiple people, hundreds of people as a part of it, right? So maybe that serves the purpose, because here one person is speaking, everybody else just has to listen.
Listen. True.
I have also seen conferences happening, meetings happening on a daily basis. So, my question to you is, do you think that somewhere quality suffers when we compare it to a one on one, and when we compare it to maybe, say, 6 or 7 people or 10 people trying to have a meeting on a Zoom call or on a Google Meet, any virtual platform? Do you think the quality is compromised there? The quality of work?
Okay. Yes, obviously, it happens that if we are interacting with someone
Hmm.
by virtually, or there are huge crowd, right? So we can't be clear, or we can't ask them what I'm having. Is there any doubt that I am not being cleared? There is something fishy. So I want to get this clarification. Then I am not being able to, ask them the questions what's
Hmm.
my query is. So these kind of problem will be occur, and maybe according you, it happens that once we interact one on one, right,
Hmm.
like we are interacting right now, I whatever doubt I have, I can ask you directly, and you can focus toward these doubts only, because you are aware about me and my lacuna parts, so you can focus those parts. But if we talk about, if we were having group sessions or group calls,
Hmm.
then might be you were not able to pay attention toward one particular
Correct.
student.
Correct.
So the problem will be occur there. Might be I ended up having lots of doubts and not being cleared. So these kind of problem occurs.
My,
Still these days,
but,
yeah.
but the thing was, Sushmita, that the comparison was not between one on one online or multiple online. The comparison is between face to face, offline, and
Okay.
online. Do you think quality suffers when instead of doing something offline, we are doing it online? For
Ma'am.
example, when there is a meeting going on,
Mm-hmm.
okay, where people have to meet, they have to discuss an agenda, they have to come to a solution, and there's a brainstorming session going on. And instead of meeting physically, say in a boardroom, in a conference hall, they are actually meeting on the screen.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
compare these two situations. Now, do you feel when we do it online, maybe we are compromising a little bit on the
Compromising. Yes, yes, obviously, ma'am. There will be the huge compromisation. Compromisation, can we say?
no, there'll be a big compromise.
Compromise, okay. There will be more, huge compromise because once we interact physically with someone, then everything it seems like practical,
Yes.
right? We are physically active there and mentally also. We don't feel zone out. But it happens once we interact over virtually, then we don't get the time to talk with, then we feel zone out and we feel bored because there is nothing seem like a very entertainment, right? So
Right.
this is the, yeah, obviously it's a compromise why virtually happens.
Okay. All right, Sushmita. Very quickly now, I would
Okay.
just like to reinforce my feedback by starting by saying that a beautiful way to come on the camera, a beautiful, I mean, very, very presentable, not just with the efforts that you took, that you take in your appearance, but the efforts that you make while speaking also. You always have that smile on your face, you always have this calm demeanor. So I think that just makes the session way more livelier, and it goes very smoothly.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the areas that need work.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Some of the things that we need to correct immediately. I think what you were trying to say over here was on some, okay, on special occasions. Okay. So don't
Mm.
use in.
On some occasion.
On
Occasion.
special occasions.
Occasions.
Any occasion, you will use
Okay.
the preposition on and not
Mm.
in.
And okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Mm.
Focus on. Always focus on. Doesn't matter on what, but always on.
Focus on.
Yes.
Okay. What did I use, ma'am? Focus
You
in?
didn't use anything. You said focus those parts.
Ah, okay.
Okay, so
Okay,
focus on
ma'am.
those parts.
Okay.
Problem will be occurred is incorrect. Problems will occur.
Problem will occur. Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
and
Yeah,
just
some of mistakes I'm aware about, but I don't.
you corrected this on your own. When you said it in the next time, you corrected it. You said problems occur. Some
Hmm.
problems occur. Once you made a mistake, the next time you didn't.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's just that we need to be conscious while speaking.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And words like zone and compromise, we are looking for the z sound, which we'll work
Z.
on. Z.
Z sound. Yeah. Zone
Okay.
out. Zone out.
Zone.
Zone out.
Yes.
Okay.
Zone.
Zone out. Hmm.
Okay. And fed up, not fad up. We'll say fed up.
Fed up.
Narrow sound.
Fed up. Fed
Fed.
up.
Correct.
Fed up. Okay.
All right.
Fed
But
up.
apart from these, of course, great session, great insights, good answers, good flow in the conversation. So, all in all, a solid 8 out of 10.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Because of you and all tutors, I'm considering the improving.
Absolutely. We are having a lot of fun having the session with you.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right, Sushmita. So, thank you so much for joining, and you have a great day ahead. See you around
Thank you
soon.
so much, ma'am. Same here.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.